Hello, welcome back to the channel. Just got into a trade on the SPY contract right at the bottom here. Seems to be going my way so far. Up $36. I have two contracts on the SPY. I have a call looking for expiry December 2nd, a couple days from now, Friday. So seeing this chop, I mean the market has just been so choppy the last 2-3 weeks. It's really hard to trade. I did have a short from here down, only made a little bit of money. Right now I'm focused on the call. So after I saw this breakdown here, and I know that Jerome Powell's coming to speak in, a lot of the times before there's going to be a big talk or something that's going to move the market, it often just trades in a range and kind of keeps itself within, a certain type of range. So that's the only reason I got into this trade. I waited for a breakdown here, and this is where I sold my put that I had. And then I kind of waited to see. We failed to break out here. And then as soon as we had this green candle and kind of support, I just got in just to see. My plan was to get out if it goes below really quick. But I got into that position. And so far it's going my way. I'm thinking, like I said, they're trying to keep it in a range. So I'm just going to try to give it until like VWAP or something like that, or just up to here to this next high. But looks like they're already smashing it down, so we'll see what happens. For me, looking on the level 2, I want to see if I want the stock to go up, if I want SPY to go up. I'm going to try to look for high numbers on the ask and a lot of green. So let's see if it can happen right here, because at least the tape's speeding up. So let's see if we get high numbers on the ask and some green, and see if this can push all the way up to VWAP. I'll probably sell one contract there and then let the rest ride. So let's see what happens. Hopefully this can be a good lesson for you. Let's watch level 2. So far we had the crossover of the 9 and the 15, which is great. My entry was a little early, but because it had broken down so low, I kind of explained. I just figured I'd take a stab at it. Plus I was profitable on the day already, so why not? So the 9 and the 15 have crossed. That's what I want to see. But now I want to see a continuation. So let's try to get this higher numbers on the ask. Now we're seeing higher numbers on the bid here. So let's see what happens. For me personally, when I see this, often I see higher numbers on the bid and then red. Usually it's not like a good follow-through move. So I'll get one contract ready to just sell off in case. But let's see, this could be a great lesson. Got high numbers on the bid right now, right? But the chart is actually trying to go up. So let's see what happens. High numbers on the bid. We're getting a good push. I mean, that's good. I'll take it. But let's just see if this is a bit of a fake out move. Because normally, yeah, see, getting a little crushed there. I'm going to sell off one contract just to make sure that I lock in a bit of profit on it. I mean, this is a small account, so every little bit counts. But you see how we kind of, we popped up with the chart there, but we had high numbers on the bid, and look how we're following, right? So usually when I see follow through, it's higher numbers on the ask and a lot of green. So this is where level 2 can really help you out to see, okay, like what's going to happen then. Look at these higher numbers on the bid, right? Not the best. Now the only way I'm going to stay in this is if like literally in the next 30 seconds, a minute, this thing's going to pop up. But look at all these high numbers on the bid. It's happening in real time for you. So hopefully you can use this going forward when you're looking at level 2. At least it was a bit of a winner. I need something to happen real quick. I'm just going to get out. I don't like it. Break down. It's breaking down even further. At least I made a tiny little profit. But this video is more about showing you level 2. So when you're seeing, at least for me personally, and I've been paying attention to this a lot because I'm, trying to make videos, honestly, to kind of, give some education. When I'm seeing the higher numbers on the bid, and especially not a lot of green and a little bit of red, even though the chart might be looking like, oh, it's going to go up, More often than not, it ends up breaking down. My system's breaking down as I speak. There you go. More often than not, it's a breakdown. When I'm seeing higher numbers on the ask and a lot of green on the tape, that's usually a good indication that we might have a strong move. So you see right here, we're just breaking down. So that was a good reason for me to just get out of the contract, at least take one off the table, make a small little bit of profit. Hopefully this video kind of shows you something that you should be looking out for in the future. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for sticking around. I'll catch you on the next one.